Shailaja. Welcome you all to my channel Hobbies Finder. Today's topic is about how to get rid of dark lips and get soft pink lips. Here are some simple DIY remedies for you all. Do them religiously and you will achieve what you desire. You must exfoliate your lips every day to get rid of dark skin. For this, you need a lemon and sugar. Rub in a circular motion on your lips and leave it for 5 minutes. You might feel a bit of tickling sensation because of scrubbing, but don't worry, it's normal. Step number 2. You must apply mask to cover the open pores. For this, you need honey. Apply honey and leave it for 5 minutes and then wipe it off. Step number 3. You must moisturize your lips. For this, you need a container, a little bit of Vesline, olive oil and a vitamin E capsule. Melt it with the help of double boiler or microwave. You can store it in fridge for a couple of hours and apply it whenever you feel your lips are dry or before applying lipstick. Thank you friends for watching my video. Details about the steps are there in description box below. You can try it yourself and share your feedback.